Have you ever found yourself trying to combine a data frame with a dictionary in Pandas, only to feel completely lost? It can be frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to update a data frame with a dictionary in Pandas. I totally get it. You have a data frame and a dictionary, and you want to merge them so that the dictionary values overwrite the data frame where their keys match. This is a common scenario, and you're definitely not alone in facing this challenge. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how do I combine a data frame with a dictionary in Pandas so that the dictionary overwrites the data frame when their keys intersect? If this sounds familiar, let's dive in and find a solution together. So what's the issue here? When you have a data frame and a dictionary, the challenge is to ensure that the values from the dictionary replace the corresponding values in the data frame based on matching keys. This can be tricky, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make working with data frames and dictionaries in Pandas even easier. To begin, the user should first import the necessary library, which is Pandas. This library will help in managing the data frame and dictionary. Next, the user needs to set up the initial data frame. They can create a data frame with some sample data and set one of the columns as the index. After that, the user should define the dictionary that they want to use to update the data frame. This dictionary will contain the keys that may intersect with the data frame's index. Now, the user can convert the dictionary into a data frame. This is done by using the fromDict method and setting the orientation to index. Finally, the user should update the original data frame with the new values from the dictionary. They can do this by using the update method and then appending any remaining indices. Fun fact, did you know that the Pandas library is named after the term panel data? It's a great tool for data manipulation and analysis. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the combine first method. This method allows you to combine two data frames, where the values from the second data frame will overwrite those in the first when their indices match. Here's the handy tip I promised. Always check your data types before merging. Ensuring that your keys match in type can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You've successfully updated a data frame with a dictionary in Pandas. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into data manipulation.